In this video, let us cover what is verification and validation, the two basic concepts in software testing which are repeatedly asked in the interviews. Verification is all about checking if the application or software that we are building does meets the design specifications. Verification includes checking of all the documents like SRS, Software Requirement Specification Document, SDD, Solution Design Document, Data Flow, test documents like Test Plan Document, Test Scenario, Test Cases, and all other documents that are created during the software development lifecycle. In simple words, verification checks if the software conforms to the specifications or not. Validation is intended to ensure the application or software that we have created is meeting the requirements listed by the user. The objective here is, are we building the right product? The implemented product is tested against the user requirements. In very simple words, verification refers to reviews, walkthroughs, inspections before actual testing of a product. Validation refers to checking if a system under test meets the business needs of the user. Remember, in verification, it is mostly are we building the product right, whereas in validation, it is all about are we building the right product.